Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi Q5 glove box. Start by preparing your tools and workspace, and clear the area around the passenger footwell for easy access. Check for hidden screws and inspect plastic clips before applying force, because broken clips add repair time and cost. Work methodically, keeping removed fasteners in a container. I will walk you through each step clearly so you can remove the glove. Gather the tools I list and keep them within reach to avoid interruption. A torque set, Phillips drivers, and a trim tool will cover most fasteners you encounter in an Audi Q5 glove box removal. Use a flashlight to spot recess screws and a magnetic tray or labeled cups to separate bolts and clips. Working organized saves time and prevents rattles when reassembling the glove box later. Begin by opening the glove box and emptying it completely, then detach the damper arm on the right side if your model has one. Remove all visible torques and Phillips screws inside and under the glove box, then use a trim tool to free the lower plastic trim and clips without breaking them. Carefully lower the glove box, check for any wiring or fasteners, and lift it out when clear. I will show reinstallation tips next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.